Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Binance.us by setting up two-factor authentication, beginner guide step-by-step clearly. To start authenticating your account on Binance.us, log in to your account. If you don't have an account, create one by following the prompts on the Binance.us website. Once logged in, navigate to your profile icon, usually located in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on Account from the drop-down menu. Look for the Security section on your account page. Under the Security section, find the option for Two-Factor Authentication or 2FA. Click on the Enable button next to Two-Factor Authentication. You will see options for using an authenticator app or receiving SMS codes. Using an authenticator app is generally more secure. If you choose the authenticator app, download one, such as Google Authenticator or Authy. Once installed, open the app and select the option to add a new account. Scan the QR code displayed on the Binance.us two-factor authentication setup page. If you prefer SMS authentication, select that option and enter your phone number. You will receive a verification code via SMS shortly. Input that code on the Binance.us page to verify your phone number. Now, return to your authenticator app to find the unique code generated. Enter this code into the corresponding field on Binance.us to complete the setup. Make sure to save the backup code provided during this process. This code will allow you to recover access if you lose your authenticator app. Review all the details before finalizing the setup. Once confirmed, two-factor authentication will be enabled for your account. Now you will need to enter a code from your authenticator app or SMS each time you log in. This adds an extra layer of security to your Binance.us account. You are now set up with two-factor authentication, keeping your account safe. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.